which has managed to overcome resistance last week and regain higher levels. Let's talk about this. British currency surged to the levels at 1.2575 in the course of past week due to strong economic data out of the UK and lower US dollar. British manufacturers reported the fastest export growth in more than 2 years, and UK consumer prices increased in March. Average earnings have finally edged up. Sluggish wage growth was cited as the major reason the Bank of England refuses to raise its interest rate despite surging inflation figures. And the improvement of this indicator may make the Bank of England somehow rethink its position. The greenback was hit by Donald Trump's action and the fact that he talked down the national currency, the US dollar. We will pay attention to what the Bank of England Governor Carney delivers in his speech and to Britain's retail sales on Friday. Data from the US will surely be important. The outlook for the pair looks rather well. We can see that levels around 1.2625 are quite attainable on the upside, but here the pair should find resistance. We have here the resistance line, which is going back to December 2016, and it connects this high with the high of February. And also here we have the 200-day moving average around 1.2625. So this will be a kind of a heavy resistance, and the pair will need a significant driver, something new, to overcome this resistance level. My bet is that we should limit our bullish targets on the British pound by this area, as it is too risky to count on the break higher at this point. Support levels are located at 1.2495 and at levels around 1.2420. Here we find 100-day moving average and 50-day moving average. These two moving averages are horizontal, as they have been. The 50-day moving average has been horizontal since the middle of December, and 100-day moving average since the end of February. These lines don't seem to be going anywhere, and it means that the price will be encouraged, will be lured to return back to this central rate around 1.2420. So this is why I don't think that despite the potential for some increase, that this rise in British pound will be sustainable. We don't have much news about Brexit, and it is not the primary factor, as the terms and the actual date of negotiations between the United Kingdom and the European Union has been pushed back into future, pushed further into future, so it is not a near-term business. We can also see that the pound is kind of overbought. So, well, all these points that there is not much on the upside, some scope, but not much, and I've told you what are the limits for the British pound.